Everyone thinks the best-selling soft top for Jeep Wrangler is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Sierra Off-Road Soft Top. First up is the Sierra Off-Road Soft Top for 1997 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ. Priced at $209.99, this caught my eye because of its OEM precision fit and solid denim vinyl material. If you want a reliable replacement that feels as good as new, this is worth a serious look. The two-ply construction helps keep water out, thanks to heat-sealed seams that prevent leaks, something you definitely want when off-roading. With a solid 4.3-star rating from over 1,700 reviews, it's clear that many Jeep owners appreciate its durability and fit. Plus, the self-correcting zippers on the tinted windows make for easy access, no more fighting with stuck zippers. Now, some people complained about the lack of upper door skins. Here's the thing though, if you're already replacing your soft top, you might not need them, and this can save you a bit of cash. It's a solid option that delivers on quality and fit. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable replacement without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need a full kit with door skins included. For the price, you're getting great value here. Now, if the Sierra Off-Road's lack of door skins bothers you, this next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, TACTIK Fabric Only Replacement. Next is the TACTIK Fabric Only Replacement Soft Top, also for the Jeep Wrangler TJ from 1997 to 2006. This one is priced at $199.99 and stands out with its custom-fit fabric. If you want a soft top that offers substantial weather protection without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. What caught my attention are the ultra-clear tinted windows made from 20mm material that block out 31% more sunlight, perfect for hot summer days. The removable side and rear windows mean you can enjoy that open-air feeling, transforming it into a bikini top when the weather's right. Plus, it's UV and leak-resistant, protecting your Jeep from the elements. Honestly, some users mention that installation can be tricky if you're not familiar with the process. But if you already have the OEM hardware, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. It's all about knowing what you're getting into. This is perfect for you if you want flexibility on your soft top. Skip this one if you prefer a complete package with frame and door skins. For the price, it delivers solid quality and design. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a more premium feel. Product number 3, Bestop Trek Top Soft Top. Now let's talk about the Bestop 5,686,335 Trek Top Soft Top for the 4-door Jeep Wrangler JL, priced at a premium $989.99. What really impressed me is its hybrid design that allows for easy removal of window panels. If you want versatility without sacrificing quality, this is a top contender. The Sunrider feature lets you enjoy the sun without needing to take the entire top off. Plus, the fastback design gives it a modern look while still providing excellent weather protection. With a 4.2-star rating from 351 reviews, it's well received among Jeep enthusiasts. However, I found a few complaints about the high price tag. Here's the thing though, if you want a soft top that combines convenience and style, it might just be worth the investment. Many users rave about the quality that extends beyond just the looks. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a premium, versatile soft top that's easy to use. Skip this if you're on a tight budget. When it comes to quality, you get what you pay for. Now, if the price of the Bestop bothered you, wait until you hear about our next option that balances cost and features. Product number 4, Rampage Products Complete Soft Top. Next up is the Rampage Products Complete Soft Top for Jeep Wrangler CJ, fitting models from 1979 to 1995. Priced at $695.32, this comes complete with frame and hardware, something that many Jeep owners appreciate. If you want a full package that's ready to install, this is definitely worth a look. The installation is simple. Just slide off your old top and replace it with this one, which promises to fit perfectly. Plus, it comes with a 3-year warranty, always a nice assurance for your purchase. It has a solid 4.3-star rating from 261 reviews, indicating that many users find it reliable. Now, some users reported that the installation instructions weren't the clearest. The quality and full package make up for this minor drawback. This is perfect for you if you want a complete soft top solution that's durable and ready to go. Skip this if you're only looking for a fabric replacement. Considering the value you get, it's worth the price. Alright, that was an interesting option. But if you're looking for something that fits older models with some extra features, the next product might be even better. Product number 5. TACTIK Fabric Only Replacement YJ. Finally, we have the TACTIK Fabric Only Replacement Soft Top for Jeep Wrangler 1988-1995 YJ, priced at $239.99. This caught my attention because it comes with door skins, making it a more complete option. If you want a reliable soft top that's also easy to install, this is worth considering. The heavy-duty, multi-layer vinyl provides great protection against the elements, ensuring you stay dry during unexpected rain. This soft top also boasts a 4.4-star rating from 184 reviews, showing that it's a trusted choice among users. Some reviews mention that it may not fit as tightly as expected. Here's the thing. As long as you have the original hardware, you'll likely get a good fit. This is perfect for you if you need a complete soft top with door skins included. Skip this if you're looking for a no-frills, fabric-only option. For the price, it's a solid choice that offers good value. So there you have it, 5 top-notch soft tops for your Jeep Wrangler. From the budget-friendly Sierra off-road to the premium Bestop Trek Top, there's something for everyone. Whether you're looking for reliability, versatility, or a complete package, hopefully, this helped you narrow down your options. Happy off-roading!